Okay, this is problem number 4, so make sure that this is the one of the problems you got wrong. If it's not one that you got wrong, go back to the other 3 videos and watch the numbers you got wrong only. So this one reads, in Austin, Texas, 8 bats ate 40 grams of insects in one night. At this rate, how many grams of insects could 64 bats eat in one night? So they're talking about bats and grams. So the number of bats is 8, the number of grams is 40. Now they're telling us at what rate could, how many grams was the insect, so we're looking for how many grams, and there's 64 bats. So in this case, what I need to do is I need to find a scale factor. So 8 times what gives you 64? Well, I know 8 times 8 is equal to 64, so my scale factor is times 8, so that means 40 times 8, so 4 times 8 is 32. Then I'm going to add the 0 at the end, so that means we need 320 grams of insects to feed 64 bats. So make sure you understand ratios, understand this, and make sure you're using ratio tables to make sure you see the relationship and are able to answer the question correctly.